Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today, we're going to delve into the essential steps of configuring our AWS account, creating a budget, and setting up an alarm. So, let's jump right into the AWS Management Console. Logged into my AWS account with the root user. On this page, we have a few key features. There's a search bar where we can quickly find services like Amazon EC2. You can also use the Services drop-down or explore categories on the left to locate specific services. In the top right corner, we find the region drop-down and our account ID. Managing our account and accessing the billing dashboard are crucial steps we'll cover today. Now, let's head over to the Account section. Scroll down to where we can edit the IAM Access to Billing Information settings. We're going to follow best practices by not using our powerful root account for long-term access. Instead, we'll create an individual user account for better account management. We will discuss this separately in another lab session. Before that, we need to activate IAM Access. Great! With IAM Access activated, let's move to the billing dashboard. In Billing Preferences, I personally prefer to receive invoices by PDF. You can also opt to receive free tier usage alerts by entering your email address here. This helps you stay notified if you're approaching the free tier limit for a specific service. Don't forget billing alerts, an essential feature we'll explore in detail later. Now, onto budgets. Click on Budgets in the navigation pane. Here, we'll create a monthly cost budget. I'm naming mine, my monthly cost budget, and setting a threshold of $5. This means I'll be notified if my bill is forecasted to exceed $5. Simply enter your email address. Your budget is set. It's that simple. Now, you'll receive an email if your expenses approach the specified limit. You can adjust the threshold to suit your needs by Edit Budget. That's it for today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.